You've been told that smart people make smart decisions with money. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Some of the highest earning, most educated people you know are also the most broke. And it isn't bad luck. It's a pattern. Meet the doctor earning $300,000 a year, and meet the teacher earning $50,000. 10 years from now, the teacher often ends up with more savings. Same effort, same discipline, opposite result. Here's the first reason why: lifestyle creep. Every time income rises, spending quietly rises with it. A bigger salary buys a bigger house, a nicer car, more dinners out. The raise disappears before it's ever felt. Smart people don't fall for this because they're careless. They fall for it because their income gives them permission to justify it. The second reason is even sneakier: identity spending. Doctors, lawyers, executives, they often feel pressure to look successful, not just be successful. The watch, the car, the neighborhood, all signal status. But status is expensive, and it rarely builds wealth. It just rents the appearance of it. Third, high earners often skip the basics because they feel beneath them. Budgeting feels like something poor people do. Index funds feel too slow, too boring for someone this successful. So instead of consistent, unglamorous investing, money sits in a checking account or chases the next exciting stock tip. And fourth, the most dangerous one: high income creates false security. When you're confident more money is always coming, saving doesn't feel urgent until a slow year hits, or a lawsuit, or a market downturn, and the safety net that should have been built simply isn't there. None of this is about intelligence. A high income is a tool. Used well, it builds freedom. Used carelessly, it just makes the same mistakes bigger and more expensive. The people who build real wealth aren't always the highest earners. They're the ones who treat every raise as an opportunity to invest, not just an opportunity to spend. If this changed how you think about your own income, subscribe for more breakdowns on money, markets, and management. See you in the next one.